Hello everyone, I'm Joyce. My topic is motivation as a predictor of success in the EFL listening classroom. I have 3 parts: introduction, literature review, and the methodology. We know the motivation is the main factor in the process of learning language. It also can affect the learning results. If you have high motivation, your learning results will be better. And according to a research of that, 80% of what we know is acquired through listening. We know if when maybe we are a baby, we also learning language through listening. When we will imitate what we hear. So the listening is the first stage of we acquire language. The statement of problem. Quite a number of researchers, they focus on the motivation between quite a number of researchers in Taiwan. They most focus on learning motivation and learning strategies, but they rarely focus on the language proficiency, especially listening skill. So the purpose of the study, the purpose of the study is to investigate the 2 variables, the integrative and the instrumental motivation, who affect how they affect the students' listening performance. So the research question is, which type of motivation affect the EFL students' listening performance most? So this is my research question. And the literature review is language learning motivation and the listening comprehension. Garner and Lambert, they point out that the affect the language learning directly is integrative and instrumental motivation. So because instrumental motivation, why they are most related to a language learning, because the learner who want to, if he has a higher integrative motivation, which means they want to involve in a foreigner group. They want to take part in their foreigners' life, culture, or literature. So they have to, if they have a higher integrative motivation, they want to learning foreign language. Then they can take part in a foreign country life. And the instrumental motivation, which means the learner take the language as a tool to achieve their goal. Maybe if they want to study abroad, they have to pass the TOEFL test. And the next one is listening comprehension. Listening is not just merely a respective activity. They also have to analyzing and organizing the information. So the listening comprehension is a very complex way, because you just not only understand what the foreigner said, you also have to, if you want to realize the real meaning, you have to depending on the social cultural context. So listening comprehension is very important, and if you understand what others are talking, then you can speak. So my methodology is I will choose the methodology is about 400 college students. They are English major and non-English major in Taiwan. And I use the quantitative research. I will use the questionnaire, which adapt from the Garner's attitude motivation test battery, and I will use the TOEFL test as the participants listening achievement, and use my procedures. I will use the pilot study and the formal study, and final I will data analysis to compare which motivation affects the listening achievement the most. Thank you for your listening.